Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and please consider subscribing if you love anything beauty and luxury related. Alrighty guys, so as you can see in the background, we are going to be doing a triple Chanel unboxing. I'm so excited to unbox this for you all. The last time I've shopped at a Chanel boutique was about 4 or 5 years ago. Can you guys believe that? It's been that long. I haven't been, I guess, interested in their collection until this one came out. My very first Chanel piece was a classic jumbo, and I'm so sad to say that that is my least favorite in my collection. It's just way too heavy and too big to use for everyday use. Literally, I would only put like 4 or 5 things in there. Before I even walk out on my front door, I'm already exhausted. Like my shoulders are already tired. I don't know why I even bought it. I feel like because back in the day, you know, the bigger bags were in, but now I am more practical. You know, the older you get, the more pains you feel, like back pain, shoulder pain. Also guys, I did a what's in my bag video. If you are interested to know what I bring on a daily basis, make sure to check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link up here somewhere. All right, without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. We're first gonna start off with the smallest one. This is what it looks. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty the camellia is. I feel like you can also use this as a brooch or like even like a hair tie. Oops, it already came off, but let's go ahead and unbox this, untie the ribbon, and this is what it looks inside. So this is the first thing that I got. It has tiny little pearls all over. It's so beautiful. You probably noticed why I don't have an earring today. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out for you guys. This is what the earring looks on me. It's so beautiful, guys. It's classy and elegant. This is definitely gonna be a forever piece in my collection. I can't find the same exact earring on the website, but if you are wondering what the product number is, hope you guys can see it. There you go. That's the product number if you guys are interested. Now let's move on to the next box. I'm so excited to unbox these two for you guys. Oh my gosh. You have the camellia again. I don't even know which one's which, but let's start off with this. Let's go ahead and untie the ribbon. And you have the magnetic closure, just like any luxury box. Oh my gosh, that's what it looks. I'm gonna try and not rip it, but I'm probably gonna end up ruining the tissue. Oh, there you go. It was a success. And it is inside this dust bag. So inside the box, I believe this is gonna be the care booklet. Oh yeah, it is. Which is that one. And you basically just have, you know, everything in here, everything you need to know to take care of your bag. This is what the dust bag looks like. And here she is. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, guys. It's this like dark gray, kind of like a charcoal gray. Let me show you guys a close-up. This is what it looks in the front, the side, the back. You have that Mona Lisa pocket, and the other side it has the champagne hardware, and it's in the lambskin leather. Let's open this up. This one is the rectangular mini. This is what it looks inside. And you have a zipper pocket right over here. You guys can see it has the authenticity card. This is all I need, guys. Let me see if I can show you guys what it looks on. I kind of made the chain smaller. That's what it looks like. One thing I love about this is the strap. It's long enough for you to use as a crossbody bag. But if you also want to use it as a shoulder strap, I recommend just kind of tying this two together, and you can easily use this as a shoulder strap. I am about 5'3", and this one hits perfectly on my hips. I just really love the color. This is something that you can use every day. You can dress it up or dress it down. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah, a lot of people also are scared of the lambskin because they said that it's delicate. To be honest with you, it's not as delicate as people say. If you are purposely, you know, scratching it or just don't care about your bag, it's definitely gonna ruin. And I feel like that goes with any bag. I like to baby my stuff or like my bags, but not to the point where I'm so scared to use it. This will definitely last for a long time. Just, you know, take care of it. Now we are on to our last box. This one, my essay actually had to order at the Neiman Marcus in Florida because they don't have it available at the boutique that I go to. One day I just decided to ask him if this was still even available, because I believe this one came out last year, maybe November or December, I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. And the color was such a hit that everyone went crazy for it. So he messaged me back and said that there is only one available in this color and in this size in the country. Do you want it? And I was like, of course I want it. It's meant for me. So yeah, I got this shipped all the way from Florida. Let's open this up. You have the, of course, the camellia. One thing I don't like about their box is that, you know, like you can see every handprint, and I tend to put a lot of lotion too, so you know that's not good. But this is what it looks like. That's how they wrapped it. Oh my gosh. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a light gray with blue undertone, and it's in the also champagne hardware. This is what it looks in the front, this side, the back, and the other side. Oh my gosh, guys, isn't she beautiful? I can definitely wear this a lot with, you know, lighter clothes. Oh my gosh, even with just black, all black if you want to, pastel color clothing. Wow, it's so beautiful. And inside I just have, you know, the dust bag and the care booklet. Let's open her up. This one is in the medium size, and it's the classic. That's why you can see it has like the double flap. You have this CC logo in there. This is what it looks inside. Let me take this out. You have the authenticity card right here. Also, this one is in caviar leather, so a little bit more durable than the lambskin. How pretty. And let me show you what it looks like on. Alrighty guys, so that's basically it for our unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!